Hey guys, welcome to Everyday Jewish Mom. My name is Marty, and I am teaming up today with 3 of my YouTube friends to bring you a Tu BISHVAT video. Tu BISHVAT is the birthday for trees. It's like Jewish Arbor Day, and there's so many fun things to do with your kids for this holiday. It's a real easy one to get everyone involved. I am teaming up with Erica Terry, Little Kosher Lunch, and my Jewish Mommy Life today. So make sure you check out their videos. I will link them below and at the end of the video. If you are new to my channel, hi! I put out videos all year round on being a mom and a Jewish mom. My first activity is all about fruit. Tu BISHVAT is kind of all about fruit and trying new things. A lot of people do a Tu BISHVAT Seder, and if you're interested in that, I made a video on that and I'll put a link below for you. But I did something a little more casual this year. I went to the Asian grocery store. We have several large ones here that just have such a variety of exciting produce. And I picked fruits that my kids hadn't experienced, and I picked fruits that were kind of exciting on the inside. And for the activity, we cut the fruit open. Kind of looked at the outside, talked about what it felt like, what it looked like, tried to guess what was in the inside, cut them open and tasted them. All right, so we have this dragon fruit, right?
Yeah, I kind of want.
What color is it on the outside?
Pink.
And why do you think it's called a dragon fruit?
Because these are his spikes.
Yeah, it looks like scales. Maybe it looks like fire.
No, it doesn't.
All right, what color do you think it is on the inside?
I don't know. I'll cut it and see.
All right, let's see. Yeah, back and forth. Good job, kiddo. What is it?
See?
Whoa!
They're beautiful.
It's beautiful. What shape is that?
A star.
Isn't that neat? Ooh, it's nice and juicy. So what color is it on the inside? Is that a surprise?
Yeah.
Tu BISHVAT is really about being thankful for trees. And so for this activity, I created a thankful tree. So I started by cutting out the trunk of the tree with some roots and some branches. And then I cut out some leaves, but you can also make the shapes of leaves and your kids can cut them out. And then we talked about all the things that we are thankful for trees for. I really try and keep my mind open and let the kids take the lead here. So they're thankful for apples. And we add them to our tree. If you need a little inspiration for the things that you can be thankful for trees for, I kind of think of it as 4 categories. It's the things that come from trees, like fruits and nuts. Trees are habitats for all sorts of animals and bugs. They have those great environmental benefits. The roots hold the soil in, they give us shade, they help give us clean air. And the final one is all the things you get when you cut down a tree. So paper and firewood and things like that. And of course, I can't have a video without cooking something with my kids. We're gonna make some granola. During the Tu BISHVAT Seder, we say blessings over 3 different types of fruit. Ones that are hard on the outside, you can't eat the outside, just the soft center. Ones that have a pit on the inside, but you can eat the outside. And ones where you can eat the whole thing. So I'm gonna incorporate those 3 categories in my granola today. Today, I decided to use coconut as my fruit that's hard on the outside. Dates have a pit in them, and raisins, you can eat the whole thing. And then I also decided to use a recipe that has cinnamon in it. Cinnamon is from the bark of a tree, and I know that that's definitely not something that my kids think you can eat. So once again, it's a chance to have a discussion about trees. If your family is not a granola family, you could absolutely make a trail mix this way too. Maybe even a trail mix bar where you set out all different types of dried fruits and different grains and cereals and things. Oh, and nuts. And then everyone gets to make their own. You guys, we had so much fun doing these activities. If you do any of them, please let me know. Hit me up on Instagram. I am Everyday Jewish Mom on Instagram and everywhere else. Don't forget to check out the videos of all of my friends. I will link them all below. And check out what else we've got going on.